We're learning to make kimchi from a certified master. Mi-kyung Lee has been making kimchi for 36 years and shares that there are more than 200 kinds of kimchi.
What's the longest she's had kimchi fermenting?
가장 오랫동안 발효시킨 건 몇 년 정도 하셨어요?
3년 정도 그리고 그러니까 5년까지도 묵혀서 드시기도 합니다.
The longest she's done is 3 years, but theoretically 5 years is possible too.
포도주 와인처럼 숙성되듯이.
So it's like wine. The longer you ferment it, the deeper taste it gains.
We get started chopping up radishes, and I realize I may be running a little behind Andrew and Mi-kyung. We mix together radishes, green onions, cabbage, red pepper, anchovies, pear juice, and more. And though I'm enjoying learning how to make kimchi, this lesson is more than just the process. The time spent is meant to bind and bond families and communities.
The Koreans put a lot of focus into this ritual because this defines what they're gonna eat for the next 6 months. She thinks that there's a one secret sauce in Korea that other countries don't have, which is the love.
That's the best way to make anything. The extra love.
Exactly.
We continue to layer the filling into the cabbage, making sure to get as much oxygen out of the cabbage as possible in order to help with the fermentation process.
This is going to be some spicy kimchi.
It is. Now we have our completed kimchi. Wanna try some?
Sure, let's do it.
In the Korea House's restaurant, we sit down to try a royal feast, complete with our kimchi.
Andrew, this is truly a royal feast.
It is. It is very, very luxurious. Here we have a platter of 9 delicacies, which is basically steamed veggies and steamed meat. And then we have here a platter of 5 delicacies, which are dried nuts, seafood, and fruits.
Royal feasts like these would have been served during the Joseon dynasty, who ruled Korea for around 5 centuries, up until the 19th century.